Never seen one of those in person that close. Let's do a spin down. How long does this take to spin down? Like 20 minutes?
Never really timed it.
Still on. You got a lot of fans on in here. It's like 80 something degrees outside. It's going to be like 96 in a couple days in Rockford, Illinois. Very hot. You know why? We got a heat dome over us right now.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be in Phoenix, Arizona. You know, when you turn that industrial on, it sounds like a flipping helicopter. You can hear it go every time it's on high. Oh, it wobbles a little. How does this one not wobble?
Lucky.
Blade's not that bent. Dang it, I really should have brought my Connect ceiling fans because I have them because they're made out of Connects and they can hang on anything. There's like a hook on the ceiling.